jump into this. Let's just jump right into it, guys. Come on, guys. We're doing this live here on DanDanTheFireman YouTube channel. And the main thing here is that those of you that are in the live get to see this early. Okay, here we go. Watch him give me extra space at first, then cut hard right on me.
But even so, it's largely a lottery and depends on the attention.
Okay, lane filtering, lane filtering, lane filtering. Okay, open lane pattern, right? Why did we tippity tap him? Why did we tippity tap him? He says sorry, but at the end of the day, we were the ones that failed to negotiate this whole thing. So we do have a lane filtering situation. When we're lane filtering, remember, we're planning our ride and we're going to be in orange stage. Simple as that, because we are in a hazardous situation. We have to position ourselves well. We don't have good space cushions left and right. We have terrible escape paths, and we have to constantly be assessing for these threats. And one way that I like to figure out what a threat really is that we have a big open spot. And by a threat, I mean like this person right here could be one, because there is an open spot. There's an opportunity for this person to be a threat. Okay, there's an opportunity there. And if there's an opportunity, sometimes these people take it, and when they take it, I want to be prepared for it. So that's really what it is. So once we see this person starting to come over,
The drivers.
okay, there it is. We should already be in orange stage, like I said, because we're lane filtering. So what we're doing with lane filtering is we're covering those front brakes because we can't swerve left or right because we'll run into cars, right? So we have to either accelerate or decelerate. When somebody's cutting in front of us, they're already there, so accelerating is not an option, really. So we have to do good total stopping or progressive braking to achieve a good total stopping distance, and also by slowing it down. Let's get the progressive braking up there. So we're going to squeeze until we either come to a stop or slow down enough to allow that person to go, and then we continue. But the biggest thing here is finding that pattern. Okay, this is that big open gap right here that I'm talking about. This person wants to go into that gap. If you see a gap, anticipate somebody's going to come out in front of you. Do some engine braking by rolling off the throttle or squeeze a little bit of that front brake to get some weight on that front tire. Simple as that. And you start to realize some of these things are just non-issues at this point. And if you couldn't stop in time, what could we do other than just trying to stop or slow down? Write it in the comments. You can kind of see it a little bit over there on the right side. Yeah. Good swerve. Swerve. Practice your swerves. Oh, I gotta go pick up my motorcycle. All right, El Pepe. Oh, nice little impact in the rear. Not good, though. Not good. Mini punch city. All right, having some fun in intersection. Oh, no. Oh, damn. Who brought the car? Ooh, that dude took off. Hey, who's firing?
This bike was really lucky.
This is why I don't do bike nights. Whoa. The dude, bro, dude in the middle. Ay. Hey, who's firing? Ryan Neutron, Finding Nemo. Here we go.
But above all, he could count on the quick reaction of the driver coming from up ahead.
All right, sharp right turn coming up ahead. Hopefully nobody's going to be in our lane. Let's go to blind corner. We're going to handle this well. Ooh, oh! This looks like Mount Lemon a little bit. It could be any mountain, basically, but found that escape path. Handled it. All right, so we're going through a corner. We should do slow press and roll. It looks like we're doing that. We are also in orange stage. We're kind of prepped and ready. We're going around this corner. Something happened to where we lost traction or we're going a little too fast, maybe a little bit of the throttle. Just roll off that throttle. Just roll it off. So right here, we're in a dangerous spot. We have a Jeep coming at us. We have to find that escape path. Okay, we can sit here and be like, you know, I blame this Jeep. You know, I blame myself. This all sucks. Woe is me. At the end of the day, we got to solve our own problem, and we got to get into red stage. We got to go into that escape path. We found one off to the left, did it, handled it. Jeep decided to swerve too. Now we need to stay on this path, and it's embarrassing as heck. But, you know, we did post it online, so it must be not that embarrassing. Unless you just want people to learn from your mistakes, which is what we're doing right now. Everything looks like Mount Lemon to me. Anyways, James LWZ. Okay, what's the pattern? What's the pattern, everybody? What's the pattern? Write it in the comments. We have people wanting to merge into these little open lanes. Be very careful. It's not like, oh, everything parted for me. It's actually like, it's an open lane. Other people want to get in it too, which means they're going to get in front of me. Zenday's Moto, here we go. Side of the vehicle, we saw this one already. He's not going to swerve. He's just going to go and get clipped and then fall down. I think he was about to honk or rev bomb, but he just decided to not do much. All right, Darius Jakub. Orange stage, open lane. Person's going to switch over. There it is. Got a little bit of an impact. It is considered a crash. Handled it, though. Lost his phone. You guys know why. Hopefully solve everything. Wrist possibly hurts. Full gear. Very good. As a smart rider, we are acquiring and using personal protective equipment. So we got a sharp right turn. You saw that sign right there. Are we turning? A little bit of a panic. There goes the high side. Up and over. High impact. Ouchies. Our buddies need to come rescue us. Oh, we lost the air. Our diaphragm, all the air got out of her lungs, and it's redoing.
Right? Hard.
So re-initiating. Yeah. CG, hopefully you're doing good. It's like a butthole. Anyways, the Liquor Chronicles, welcome back, buddy. Open lanes, open lane is coming. There you go. Get out of that, switch over. Just like you, open lane, right? You didn't like that spot. Going a little fast, here. We're coming up. It looks like now we're going the flow. Okay, we got a red light. We're good, we're stopped, handling it. Enjoying ourselves.
Hey, I love you too, buddy!
Flipped him off and he says he loves them. That's so nice. Hey, Liquor, you've been doing pretty good. I like it. Play nog, here we go. Good position, you can see. Whoa, you see the dust up? Remain calm, buddy. Okay, now you get your one. Oh my God. Now we're in rescue mode. Okay, you get one. Oh my God.
And
there you go.
It looks like 2 of the cars are total.
High impact, massive mechanism of injury there. Look at that. Side damage, compartment intrusion. Still in the vehicle.
Highway 78.
Have someone call 911. Or you call 911.
Yes, we are at, yes.
That's the remain calm.
Around
ensure your own safety.
Yes, I'm not sure on the exact location though.
High impact, massive impact. It's a T-bone. That's a T-bone accident. So my best guess on this one, so take a look. We have an intersection right here. Okay, we have an intersection right here. So my best guess is that this vehicle that looks like it got T-boned was coming out to do this. Or coming out to do this. Okay, they were coming out of this intersection. Somebody was traveling this way in this lane right here, obviously. T-boned the vehicle. This vehicle was basically turned to come out this way. And the T-bone vehicle, the one that actually hit the person, you can kind of see them right there. Maybe, no, that looks like the back of a vehicle, but maybe they are down in here, pulled off. But either way, there's vehicles here. Basically looks like the T-bone. You can see a little bit of the tire coming out. So it's really interesting to kind of see this stuff.
Around under. Oh
yep.
My God!
So the T-bone car is up ahead. You can see it. That's the vehicle that hit. And then this vehicle is kind of coming out this way. High impact. So think about the miles per hour on this road. Look how fast we're going. See how much of an impact? That's why there's so much compartment intrusion. So compartment intrusion is like, you have your doors, right? And if they get pushed in, that's compartment intrusion. If you're on the driver's side, or I guess any side really, so if you have a passenger, but as the driver, it's pretty obvious. When you're the driver and you're sitting here and it's pushed in on you, that impact is now into your body too. So it's very high mechanism. So if it gets pushed into your ribs, you're also getting that forces into your body. So, one sec. Let's go keep going.
And
I got stuff I gotta do. So here we go. Lane filtering. Good. Kinergy. Here we go. Moving through here. Lane filtering. Ooh, wasn't paying attention. What? Get smaller, Daniel. Calm down. Acting like you want to be on screen. So yeah, almost hits that person. Looks like they got a headlight. Wasn't paying attention. Going a little bit wide. Ooh, boy. We're gonna try to power through these. Nikolai Anatolizov, I have to go pick up my motorcycle. I had the front forks, the fork oil and everything replaced. Ooh, around the corner. We've seen this. This is an old one. He's going to go right. Found an escape. Handled it. Did what they had to do. Okay. That's an escape. Yeah, I got to go pick up my motorcycle so I can do some more unit filming for the MTC Rider Academy. We have a whole new basic smart rider course coming up at the end of May. So sign up now to lock in this low price. It's $100 a year right now. Ooh, panic. A little bit of a panic. Dump the bike. It's $100 a year. But once June hits, we're bumping it up. So this is the legacy pricing that only you can get right now. And you'll get the new course when it comes out. But once the new course comes out, it's a whole new price because we're launching a bunch of other stuff with it. We're launching new digital ebooks, graphics. And if you are a member, we're doing a yearly membership now. As a member, you're going to constantly get updated stuff. I'm working with my artists to create new graphics, new like infographics, new things that you can share, things that you can take to your friends, things that you can practice with. Lots of cool things. You get the drill booklet, you get all the new courses. Just sign up as a membership, year-long membership. As long as you're a member, you get access to it. And it helps out the channel quite a bit. You're supporting what we do here. Don't know what happened there. Diego Hernan Brusaska. Here we go. Good position for safety. You see the line of sight issue? Or not issue, but the thing. And we're going to switch lanes. There we go. We're good. Watch out for this person wanting to switch at the last second. There it is. So accelerate through or apply the brakes. Handled it. Get around that curb. Good job. Fubuki Cub Rider. Okay, very small path. Handled it to a point. Hey, it's a little Honda Cub. Those things are fun. I'd be pissed. I'd be like, whoa, whoa.
Nossa, mano. Regacei, mano. Caraca, tio.
So riding like a dum-dum. Okay, this is where we need to wear gear. So we're slipping and sliding. That's your skin on the ground.
Nossa, mano.
Please. So you see how he checks his hands and his arms?
Regacei.
Oh, you can see the discoloration a little bit. You can see it right there. That's the layers. That's layers of skin ripped off. It's layers of skin.
Regacei, mano.
Is that blood on the ground? No. Completely damaged. Not riding like it's supposed to. Dogs run on leashes. I get it's the area. Bike is done, dude. Bike is done. Dog is dead. Nobody's happy about that day. Speed Jones. This is why we wear full gear, everybody. Speed Jones going through here. Great job with the camera. It's nice and smooth. Watch out around this corner. Got a little bit of a panic. Oh, got a little bit of a panic because of the cyclist. So this is why we don't do that outside, inside, outside when we're out riding in the mountains, because somebody like this little cyclist or a road surface hazard will cause us to do what we just did. This is why I like middle, 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 or center, center, center. I get it. Everybody's going to have a hissy fit about that. Oil's in the middle of the road. Yes, oil's in the middle of the road, but you know what? The road is made of oil. And the oil in the middle of the road is that you keep complaining about is typically at intersections where somebody's sitting there for like 30 seconds at a time throughout the day where it does collect oil. Have you ever seen the same amount of droplets of oil at an intersection in a corner like this? No, you haven't. You haven't. Where is it? Well, I don't see the oil. So middle is okay. If there's a hazard in the middle, move off to the left or the right. But when you're over here on the far right and then there's a hazard on the right, you have to swerve left. You have to swerve left pretty hard. And when you swerve left pretty hard because you're speeding too, now you're not prepped for this turn, and now you got shot out to the side because you don't have the skill level to handle it. Can trail braking solve this problem? Yes. Can riding middle, and going the speed limit solve this problem? Yes. Which one requires more skill? So just do the basics. Just ride in the middle. All right, here we go. Doug Martin 101 table. 101 able. Ooh, close call. Uncommon thing. That motorcyclist just sat in the middle. Squid King stunts. All right, having some fun with our buddies. Not a big deal. Passing. Watch out. Don't mess up. Our buddy also decided to turn. Are we going to clip him? Almost. Our buddy went late. Hey, dude, you could totally just do this some other time. Switch lanes at a different time. Oof, that was close. That would have been bad. You don't have any gear. You would have crashed in front of those ladies. Wolfsta, here we go. Going through the corners. Blind turn. What's around the corner? You can't tell. Good job. Now you can. What's this? It is a deer. Move on. Handled it. Good job. Colin W. Aw, the junction. Turning right. We're going to go around this person. Slow speed maneuver. That was a nice little decreasing radius turn. Then this happens. What happens? Applying the brakes. Out of nowhere. Missed her turn. She's going to back up. What's going on? Blacked out for a second. Duane, here we go. I think we've seen this one also. At least this area just seems familiar. Going around a blind curve. It's the vertical turn. We have a sharp left coming up ahead. Hopefully we can manage that. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. We're not set up for this turn at all. Find the escape. Don't run into that. There you go. Find the escape. Slalom. Hey, we're practicing around these trees.
I couldn't make the turn.
Got lucky. The runoff. The runoff got lucky. Look at these homes, though. Beautiful. Get off their grass.
Couldn't make the turn.
It's embarrassing. Talk to each other under cardos. It's all good. Got lucky. This is Massachusetts.
Thanks for watching till the end.
Oh, you're welcome. I did watch the end. I got to go take a dookie, so I will be seeing you guys a little bit later.